We're looking here now at a 19th century bound volume of Peterson's magazine in the period leather binding with marbled boards. The leather has somewhat dried and flaked and cracked. However, it's still structurally sound as a book. The covers remain firmly attached and the binding is sewn as issued. Throughout it is a profusion of images. There are many or numerous steel engravings with 12 hand-colored fashion plates, like so throughout. We have counted the fashion plates. There are 12 of them, like this. There are approximately, I don't even know a total, around 10 or 12 or 14 engravings like this, including this one at the very front, which is, there are two here actually, this frontis one as well as this title page for 1877. Then we've got that, and we've got this, and we've also got several, 2, 3, 4 of these folding color lithographed plates throughout, like this. Those are nicely printed. Those look like, it's hard to say. Could be prang, it's hard to know. They're not attributed or signed in the plate anywhere. And then there are some of these like tinted lithographic plates like this. And then there's some wood engraved plates like this throughout. Then I think there could be, as there's poetry, there may even be music in spots. Here's one of those tinted plates like this. Children, yes, right, music. Right, one of these 12 monthly issues bound as an annual volume, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.